Hello! How are you doing? Sorry, inundated by toys at the moment. Toys everywhere. The baby's really getting into playing with rattles and dangly things and all these wonderful jazzy items. I'm loving it with him. Absolutely. Anyway, right. Hold that thought. It's absolutely blowing a storm out there today, it is. I think the top wind speed, 97 miles an hour. "97 miles an hour, high speed so far today, and it's going to carry on blowing all night. It hasn't actually been declared a gale by the Met Office yet, and it's only a yellow warning, so it's not that bad really. Mind you, I'm waiting for the big storms of winter to come. A few more weeks and they will be horrendous. 110 fast big wind. Anyway, that's besides the point. The other day I bottled my sprout wine, I did, and who doesn't love a sprout or two? I do, I love them. Boiled up with a bit of bacon and some nuts. Fantastic starter, or accompaniment to your birds, whatever you might be roasting. Brilliant stuff. The sprout wine has been fascinating me since I brewed it up before Christmas. It's been there bubbling away, clearing, looking fantastic. To be honest, I thought it'd be a green colour. Judging by the colour of the sprouts, I thought there'd be a lovely green, but alas, it turned out to be this colour. A fantastically golden, shiny, sparkly, white, crisp, clear. Looking really good it is. And I can't wait to try and test my sprout wine. Oh yes, so come on, join me with a glass or two. Has to be done. We're not going anywhere. There's a storm blowing. You have to stay now. It is a beautiful colour, it is. And it smells crisp, clear, clean. It smells very oakish undertones. Slightly just there on the nose. It's Chardonnay, Australian, south side of the valley, sun approximately 180 degrees from due north. It smells as though grapes were grown on a vine and the sprouts have been picked by a tractor. That's just the... I could be wrong, I'd be totally mistaken of course. Anyway, it smells quite nice, quite pleasant. There's a slight fruity undertone to it as well, there is. With a bit of wheat. Definitely wheat coming through. And fruit, raisins. Biscuit browns. For all those who like their ration packs. You know what I mean? Biscuit browns. Hopefully it doesn't do the same thing that biscuit browns are meant to do to you. No, hope not. Now that wouldn't be fun. Okay, it's very sherbety it is. It's a cross between, say, sherbet, you know the type you dip your bit of licorice into and suck on, that sherbet, and a lemon sip powder sachet drink thing. Yes. Far too acidic, it's far too... That's the initial response, is acidic, sharp. And then biscuit browns hit you. Very shortbready. But once you overlook the acidity of it, it's not too bad. I mean, it's drinkable. These little beauties by here do make a wine. beautiful colour. Smells great. Not unpleasant on the palate. A bit sharp though. So I think I need to work on the acid with it. Add some type of acidity regulator or something just to tone down that sharpness to it. Anyway, I'm going to put the remaining bottles aside in my wine rack above me up by here now. And leave them for a few months until either it's improved and becomes delicious, which it might do, or I'd run out of everything else to drink and I'd become desperate, which I might do. So they are the two possibilities about why I'm laying it down. It's not that bad, it's not going down the drain, it's definitely a keeper. I wouldn't serve this wine to guests, nor would I give it away as a present to people, not unless I don't like them. But then I'm going to store it and hope it's going to improve. So my overall opinion of this wine, it's not one I would make again willingly. I'd rather water the veg garden with the sprout water, as I tend to do. Tip for you gardeners, boil up your veg, put that veg water onto your plants. Good fertiliser. And something for nothing. As for making wine from the veg water, give it a try, if you dare. If you want to, try, go for it. It's not one of my best, but better than the kidney bean wine, I have to say. Definitely shortbread in there. It might just mature down after a while. It's a bit chewy as well. It doesn't clear off your palate easily. So anyway, the storm's still blowing. The family's having a bath. And I'm going to leave this here, I think, and have a beer and hide from the wind and the sprout wine. See you all soon. Have fun.